all those present for coming here today on this special occasion when Tushirikiane is handing out food to very vulnerable members of our community. I also wish to thank our state staff in Australia and London for their support towards this program. The food distribution started after we had a survey which mapped out all the most vulnerable members of the community. We have the document, we have mapped out everybody, people living with disability, others who are suffering from other diseases, some other people who have been economically affected by the corona, have lost their jobs. That is why we felt that we identify the most needy members, the most vulnerable of the vulnerable members in the community, so that we could be able to give them this little food support, so that at least it can alleviate their situation. Our well-wishers and good Samaritans who felt for the plight and sent some money, we thank you quite a lot, and we look forward that others will follow this example and see how they can be able to help where possible. We have purchased food for the identified most vulnerable members. According to the public health regulations, we were told we should not bring these people here because some of them are so vulnerable, they're already suffering from other diseases. So we are taking the food to their homes, direct to the homes. That's why we only identified the 2 members who were able to walk. All the rest cannot be able to walk. That's why we have to take the food to their homes. The vulnerabilities, some of them are pastoralist dropouts, some of them have been economically affected by and lost their jobs, others are persons living with disabilities, others are aged and elderly and have no other source of income. On behalf of Tushirikiane, this is to hope that we will be able to upscale the food distribution to cater for all the vulnerable members in our community, and that we can be able to reach those people who are not being reached by any organization right now. This is very, very important. I want to thank especially the area assistant chief who is here with us, because he has come all the way to come and supervise that these people are receiving the food. I want to thank the religious leader, Mr. Sheikh Ibrahim, who came with us, who is also a representative of the soup camp in Dadaab. Elders, representative of elders, Mr. Hassan, who has also volunteered to be here with us, because, and all Tushirikiane staff for being here, because this is a very important occasion for us. With those few remarks, I wish to say that we look forward to more support, that no one is too poor to give something, that everyone can be able to give something, because our people need assistance at this very time when they are so many, they have been affected by the effects of the coronavirus, the droughts, and even the effects of the rains. Thank you very much.